Carrie Urban, celebrity makeup artist, working with some of your favorite celebrities on the red carpet. For me, one of the most important parts of a good makeup application is starting with a good canvas, and Solawave helps me create that canvas. The Solawave wand is a 4-in-1 tool that I love to use to prep the skin before the red carpet. It helps to depuff, it gets rid of fine lines and wrinkles, also helps with dark under eye circles and just an overall rejuvenation of the skin. You see immediate results with zero downtime. The Solawave wand has 4 components to it: the red light therapy, the facial massage, the therapeutic warmth, and the galvanic current. The best part for me is that while the wand is doing all that therapeutic work, it actually feels really good to use. The wand has so many different elements to it that it can benefit everyone. I always pair my Solawave wand with my Solawave Renew Complex Serum. It really helps to activate the currents in the wand, and it gives a great glide to the skin. In just 3 minutes, I can transform my client's skin before they hit the red carpet. And this tool is not just for celebrities. It's an accessible spa-like tool that you can use every day to rejuvenate your skin. The Solawave wand will leave you depuffed and glowing, fresh-faced and ready to take on the day.